telling the principal how impressed I am about with the school uniform. Come on, come to class 1, eh? You tara yung bag mo? You tara yung do... Nindang? Oh, ni uli ba kuko, eh?
Osaka.
Na ni pasigada na bagingo. Then, na pasig ko school sa. Wala ka man eh. Asado. Nanam do size ni sen le chupa na kati ni tuba na kale shuri kamdo.
I'm Mbuli Singer, head teacher of Dama District School. We are so grateful today. We have been visited by our Prime Minister of Fiji and have also confirmed that they will rebuild 3 classrooms for years 6, 7 and 8. And I'd like to thank the team for visiting the school today and confirming us with a lot of positive things.
Matthew Kolotikiolo, I'm the head teacher of Lekutu District School. We are here today receiving donation, the food donation and other boarding materials from the government to assist those boarding students from the island of Tabea, 37 of them. We are so fortunate today. Thank you very much for the kind assistance.
Yeah.